Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if you want to stay updated with live news, headlines and breaking stories, Prime Video offers a dedicated news section where you can stream news channels in real time. Okay, so in this guide I will show you step by step how to access the news section on Prime Video in 2026. Simple and quick. So first thing you have to know is it includes live news streams, like some free. It works on mobile, web and smart TVs, and it's updated continuously. Okay, so news availability depends on your location. So first thing first, open Prime Video, like launch Prime Video on your phone or PC. Okay, go to the home screen. Okay, be ready to browse. Go to live or channel section, like look for live TV or live and upcoming or channels. News is usually inside live content. Okay, so find news category, like scroll until you see news, or select news from categories. Okay, so you might find the categories here, so you can choose whatever you want. Opens available news channels, so choose a channel, like select a live news stream, for example, or examples may include international news, local news. Okay, 24 hours on 7 news channels. Okay, so it opens the live player. Check access. If it's free channels, it means watch instantly. If it's subscription channels, it requires add on. Okay, so always verify before playing. Okay, then start watching, like tap start live, and stream begins instantly. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.